Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. Um, it's just a few items that I created with Luisa on Wednesday, and this is what I have. And what I did, I used a die from KS Crafts. This is the mouse head mini album die set, and I just took the largest piece and used that to create my pattern and to make my little mouse head box. I also use some strips of 12 by 12 cardstock. This is really heavyweight cardstock from cardstockwarehouse.com. And I won this prize from Tamika, who scrapped the world. We had a online, what is it called? Like a shop or whatever, and she had prizes and everything with Polite Creations. And so this is the cardstock I won, but this is really heavy duty cardstock. That's why I chose it to create the box with. And then I also used a die set from Lisa, who is my crafty, hold on, let me grab the die. My little crafty shop, and it's her butterfly bow die set, and it comes with a small and a large. And look at that, isn't that cute? I think that's super cute. And I also added some stickles. I didn't show that. Those are stickles and Nouveau drops. But the paper collection I'm using is the Mickey Mouse and Friends, a Disney paper pad. I got that from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, I had it for a few years and I just haven't used it. But this one, I finally used it. I got some black and red and white. And I figured, why not? Because I'm using it for the Mickey head. And I thought that was cute. So I did cut out two head pieces. And it looks like this, except this one's black. So I used two. And the way I assembled the box was you cut out the little darts. And that will help go around to shape your box. And I learned this tip from Lisa is to, so this is, let's say this is the lid of the box, okay? And I want this to come on the outside, right? I put it on the outside so that it's easier for me to glue all the pieces down instead of working from the inside. And then you just take your second layer and sandwich that, and all of that will be hidden underneath the second layer. You won't see any of the tabs, and it's clean. It'll be clean looking on the inside. But unlike this one, this was like a prototype. That's what I got. I haven't made the lid yet, but you know, you get the picture. I'm using black for the top, red for the bottom. And I hope I can make this all line up because it is all hand drawn. And then all of this is hand cut. So there's going to be a slight imperfection like this one right here. See, it doesn't match up. So yeah, that's what I did on Wednesday with Luisa. I was using my stash. And if you're going to follow along or you want to follow along with Luisa, this is the hashtag use UR stash 2023 MCBC. And you can see all the projects that she's created using that hashtag. And myself, I have to update some of my videos. I've been doing it. I just haven't been adding the hashtag because, you know, I'm forgetful. But yes, anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this little project share. And I hope to see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.